When it comes to ladders, although there's many different types, it's also one of those tools that most of us have used that we don't really give much of a second thought. And they're also one of the most dangerous tools because anytime we use a tool and we don't give it due diligence about properly inspecting it and using it in the proper perspective, again, we go back to the, oh, I used it this way that one time and nothing bad happened. Then we get to the, oh, that's acceptable because nothing came back and hit me enough that it told me that it was dangerous. And ladders have traditionally been a very dangerous thing. Look at the fault statistics from ladders. They're very dangerous. However, the ladders that we use in today's market versus ladders of yesteryear, shall we say, are a lot better. There are ladders on the market now that have platforms. Some have platforms with a little gate so you can walk up. They're adjustable and each leg is adjustable. So instead of grabbing a brick, digging a hole to get your ladder leveled, there's actual leveling feet on each one of the 4 posts, or ones that even as you extend it will have outriggers to give better stability on the left, right, or the tip over. It still comes down to best practices. Always keep your belt buckle inside the rails, 3 points of contact while you're climbing up and down, 2 feet in a hand, 2 hands in a feet. Again, never assume that ladders are always safe, because the ladder, if used properly, can be a very safe and effective tool. Just use it in the right way or use the correct ladder for the scenario.